In 2025, creating professional presentations has become faster and easier than ever, thanks to tools like Gamma AI. If you've ever struggled with designing slides, formatting text, or making your ideas visually appealing, the Gamma AI Presentation Maker is here to simplify the process. Gamma AI is an AI-powered platform designed to help anyone, from students and teachers to freelancers and business owners, create polished presentations in minutes. Unlike traditional presentation tools, Gamma AI doesn't just give you blank slides. It actively assists you by suggesting layouts, visuals, and content structure based on your input. This means your presentations are not only professional looking, but also logically organized, making it easier for your audience to understand your message. One of the biggest advantages of the Gamma AI Presentation Maker is time efficiency. Instead of spending hours arranging slides, picking fonts, or selecting images, you can focus on your content while the AI handles the design. This is perfect for last-minute school projects, client pitches, or online webinars where time is limited. Another key benefit is ease of use. The platform is beginner-friendly, guiding you step by step through creating your slides. Even if you don't have design experience, Gamma AI helps ensure your presentation looks professional, visually balanced, and engaging. Customization is also a highlight. While Gamma AI provides ready-made suggestions, you can still tweak colors, fonts, layouts, and images to align with your brand or personal style. This gives you the best of both worlds, speed and automation combined with creative control. Gamma AI also ensures smart content organization. Your ideas are automatically structured in a logical flow. Key points are highlighted, and visuals are suggested to complement your message. This feature helps your presentations be more impactful, whether you're explaining complex concepts, delivering a business pitch, or teaching a lesson. Imagine preparing for an important client meeting or school presentation. With Gamma AI, you can quickly transform your notes or rough ideas into a polished professional deck that impresses your audience and saves you hours of work. So, if you want to create professional presentations faster, smarter, and with less effort, the Gamma AI Presentation Maker 2025 is a tool you need to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Start using Gamma AI today and see how it can completely change the way you create and present your ideas.